Good morning, class 1. It's Monday today, time for our ICT class. And remember, we had to miss it last week because of Raksha Bandhan. Yes? So today, we are going to do some typing and we are going to paint. So what do you think the topic of the day is? Yes, it is Mini Beast. If you have guessed it, it is not about plants. Okay, so what I want you all to do is you will have to first draw and paint a ladybug, because this is what we are doing in our science lesson, and then we are going to write about it. Okay, so let's start our lesson, and whenever we want to do some painting, we will have to find the application that says paint. So if you can see, children, this is the application that I am going to use today, and it says paint. So what do? I am going to select it. Okay, and look at my fingers here. Okay, I'm going to click on the option that says paint, and I hope you can see it. Yes, and you see the cursor, and let's select it and see what happens. Yes, see, this is the page that we want to use, and please bear with me because the picture is all blurred right now, so I'll have to find a proper angle. Yes, that's okay. And now see, this is the page that we want, and you can see it. Okay, bear with me, children, sorry. I hope you can see it now. Okay, so can you see the shapes over here? Yes, so we will have to select the shape, and we all know that ladybugs are round and they are oval. Okay, so see, this is the shape that says oval. Okay, so let's select it, and again you can see my finger is on the mouse pad, and I'm going to click on this shape, and the moment I do this, what happens to the cursor? The cursor changes, and I'm sure you are becoming very comfortable with this. Okay, so this is all we have to do today. We are going to practice. Okay, so now let us draw. Look at my fingers. Okay, and see, if you can see, I'm using my hand, and this is the body of my ladybug. Okay, now the body is there. What else do ladybugs have? Do they have a head? Yes, remember the parts of the body, the head and the body. Okay, so again the head will be circular or oval. Okay, so this was the shape that I had selected, and it says oval. Yes, again I'm going to click on that shape, and where do you think the head will sit? Here, on this side, or here? Over here. Okay, so now let us make the head and draw a smaller circle, not this small, but let us make it a little bigger, because look at the size of the body. Okay, so this looks good enough. Yes, so this is the head of the body. Oh, what am I saying? This is the head and this is the body of the ladybug. What else do ladybugs have? They have antennas or feelers. So how do you think we should draw them? Can you see the option that says brush? See, brushes, because if I